2018 Four Winds HD 220. One owner boat, kept in dry stack. Tandem axle trailer with brakes and swing away tongue. Bow and cockpit cover. Bimini top. Bravo 3 drive. Transom remote for the tilt and trim. Table mount. Docking lights. Front boarding ladder. Starting at the helm, we got full instrumentation. Stereo remote. Tilt steering. Built-in depth finder. A Helix 7 fish finder. Fiberglass floor with snap-out floor covering. Another mount for the table. Up into the bow seats. Huge room. Bow shower. Again, anchor storage and swim ladder. Dual bucket seats with flip-up thigh-rise bolsters. Enclosed potty with porta potty. Moving towards the back of the boat. Nice arena-style seating. Walk-through transom. Storage underneath there. Big storage along with cooler storage underneath that seat. Storage and battery switch. Stern-facing seat with beach seat. Another table mount. Mercruiser 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower. Batteries are there. Easy access to the engine. Here's the boat with the covers off. Boat actually just received a fresh buff and wax. Scheduled for a full detail here in the next couple of weeks. Again, there's a couple of nicks on the boat. Nothing super serious. Really convenient, deep reaching boarding ladder. It's actually a remote control for the stereo by the swim platform. Your ski tow eye. This boat has 236 hours on it. Always dealer serviced. Kept in our dry stack inside year round.